Hello there, my name is John Botting and welcome along to this video. So you're obviously looking to find a way of making money online with Facebook. And I'm going to show you in this video the experiences that I've had using my Facebook profile, which you see in front of you now, and how I actually use it to make money with HB Naturals. And if you haven't looked at HB Naturals before, then there will be a link in here somewhere for you to have a look at HB Naturals and the sort of products that we sell. But what I'm talking to you today about is how you can make money through Facebook with HB Naturals. And I'm going to show you the sort of things that that you're going to be taught within the HB Vitality, which is the team that we all belong to. HB Vitality is a team within HB Naturals. Okay, so HB Vitality are going to be teaching you the strategies that I'm going to show you today. Well, I'm not showing you the strategies, I am showing you the proof that they work today, which is going to drive traffic to your HB Naturals site and bring people into your HB Naturals business. That's what it's all about. Okay, so let's go on. I just want to show you first of all that I'm going to put my glasses on just so that I can see what I'm doing. So I just want to show you straight away that I haven't got a massive amount of friends. So I've only got under 2,200 friends. So I'm not sitting with 5,000 my friends. So I just want to show you the sort of type of engagement that I'm getting. So first of all, this is a post I did on the 30th of July this year, 2020. And as you can see there, I had 188 comments on that post and 125 people liked or loved it. And this was just a post with me showing that I've just been promoted to executive rank in HB Naturals. And these people who are commenting, they're not part of my team. They're not members of my team. They're people that are on my Facebook profile that are watching what I'm doing and congratulating me on promotions and various other things I do. But key here is these are potential team members of mine. So this is the whole idea of using your Facebook profile to drive people to look at your business. Okay, so 188 people commented on that post. So this next one is just a sort of motivational post. As you can see here, it says you become what you feed your mind, and there's two types of pictures here, one with drama, bad news and negativity, and the other one with discipline, positivity, dreams. So very simple sort of meme, and I've just said who agrees with me on this, and you know what I've been doing. 194 comments, 45 people shared this, okay, 147 people liked or loved it. All I'm doing here now is just showing you that what you're going to be taught within HB Vitality works. I'm doing it and it works. So here's another post I made 6 days ago. 5 new sign-ups into my business from one simple no pitching post. 156 comments, 116 people liked or loved it. That's actually 8, and I'll show you this in a minute. I've actually signed up 8 people from a post, and I think this is the post. So very simple image, just saying team build, because HB Vitality is a team build, and this is my post. Okay, I said the company has doubled its business in the last 60 days, talks about products with a 60-day money-back guarantee, free to join up, global business, just talking about the team. Now here you will see there is no link. There is no link whatsoever to my HB Naturals sign-up page. Nothing. No mention of the name, no mention of the team, which I was just talking about a team. We talk about the team, but not the team name. No links there, no links to videos, nothing at all. I'm asking people if they want to see a 12-minute video that explains everything to message me. 55 comments on there, 32 likes and loves. So when you compare that to the other comments I was getting, it doesn't look that successful. Well, out of this post, I'm going to show you now. This is my back office in HB Naturals. I signed up 8 people. That PEMs is personally enrolled members. I signed up 8. I've got 10 in total in my team, and I've signed up 8 just from that post. That's it. Wherever it was, that one there, just from that post. And these are the strategies we're going to show you in HB Vitality. Now, I was just going back to a little bit further up, past in the year, earlier on in the year, just to show you the sort of activity I was getting around my post, to show you that what I've learnt and what we're learning in HB Vitality now, if you follow through what you're being taught, you're going to get the same sort of results. Okay, so here I just posted about the fact that my electricity bill is going down. I had 5 comments on there and 5 people liked it. This was on the February the 13th. So this was a post on about my on about my health. So it was a good news post on my health, because I'm a type 2 diabetic, and my blood sugars had all come down. It was really good news. All right. I had 20 people. That was, for me back then, that was really good. I was over the moon. I had 20 people comment on my post. Okay. And 24 people liked or loved it. Okay. Then on the 28th of April, there's another one this year. Who's had their heating on today? 4 comments. 4 comments, and 8 people liked or sort of laughed at it. So this is what it's all about. This is what you're going to be taught in that HB Vitality team build. If you want to know more, click the link below. It's free to take a test drive with us. Within 14 days of you signing up and taking the test drive, you will be asked to commit to a 25 PV, that's a personal point value, around about a $30, £27, $30 per month product, and you're going to be taught everything you need to know to build a really big business. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this sort of accommodation, if you're interested in getting promoted within HB Naturals, click the link below and join the team, and I really look forward to working with you. Thank you very much for your time. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Click the link below. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.